Ever wondered why some common health issues persist despite our best efforts? We live in a world where these health challenges seem to be an inevitable part of life. But what if there's a simple natural remedy? What if the answer is as simple as a pinch of fennel seeds every day? Yes, you heard it right. Fennel seeds. These tiny, fragrant seeds aren't just a culinary secret spice tucked away in your grandma's kitchen. They've been a cornerstone of traditional medicine across the globe, from ancient Egypt to India, for thousands of years. Fennel seeds, with their unique combination of tangy and sweet flavor, have been used to ward off a myriad of health issues. These seeds were revered by our ancestors for their potent healing properties. They were used to soothe digestive troubles, freshen breath, and even as an antidote to poison. But their benefits extend far beyond these anecdotal uses. Modern science is now catching up with traditional wisdom, revealing the vast array of health benefits these seeds hold. They're packed with a powerhouse of nutrients, antioxidants, and beneficial compounds, making them a remarkable remedy for common health issues. So what makes these tiny seeds a powerhouse of health benefits? The benefits of fennel seeds are both wide-ranging and impressive. These little powerhouses are more than just subtle flavor enhancers in your favorite dishes. They bring a whole lot of health advantages to the table, making them a worthy addition to your daily routine. Let's start with digestion. Ever felt that uncomfortable bloating after a hefty meal? Fennel seeds can be your saving grace. They contain a compound called anethole, which has been shown to soothe the digestive tract and reduce inflammation. The seeds also stimulate the production of gastric juices, aiding in smoother digestion. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology even found that these seeds can help reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Next up, water retention. If you've ever felt swollen or puffy, you know how frustrating water retention can be. Fennel seeds act as a diuretic, helping your body flush out excess fluids. Fennel seeds can reduce urinary tract infections, which are often associated with water retention. Now, let's talk blood pressure. Fennel seeds are a great source of potassium, a mineral that helps control your body's fluid balance. This, in turn, helps manage your blood pressure. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that higher intake of dietary potassium is linked with lower rates of stroke, which is often related to high blood pressure. And finally, bad breath. Yes, you heard it right. Chewing on fennel seeds can keep your breath fresh. These seeds have antimicrobial properties that combat bad breath-causing bacteria. An article in the Journal of Food Science highlights how fennel seeds can be used as a natural breath freshener. But it's not just about these individual benefits. Fennel seeds have a synergistic effect, meaning that their combined benefits can have a greater impact on your health. For instance, improved digestion can lead to better nutrient absorption, which can further enhance your overall health. And we're not just making this up. All these benefits are backed by scientific research. Various studies have shown that incorporating fennel seeds into your diet can have a significant impact on your health, from aiding digestion to controlling blood pressure. So the next time you see these tiny seeds, remember, they're not just there for flavor. They're a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be tapped. But wait, there's more to these magical seeds than meets the eye. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Food Happy Lifestyle. On this channel you will get valuable tips to improve your health for a happy living. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Let's delve deeper into the nutritional profile of fennel seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. First off, they are an excellent source of dietary fiber. A single tablespoon of fennel seeds contains over 3 grams of fiber. Now, why does this matter? Well, fiber is essential for the digestive system. It aids in regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation and other digestive disorders, but that's not all. Fennel seeds are also brimming with vitamins. They're rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that can help boost your immune system. Additionally, these seeds are a good source of B vitamins, including folate and niacin. These vitamins play a crucial role in brain function and can help maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Now let's talk about minerals. Fennel seeds are packed with essential minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. Calcium is vital for bone health, while iron is important for red blood cell production. Magnesium, on the other hand, is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions in your body, including protein synthesis and muscle and nerve function. But the real magic of fennel seeds lies in their antioxidants. These are compounds that can protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can lead to chronic diseases. The predominant antioxidants in fennel seeds are flavonoids, which have been linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases. And for those of you who are calorie conscious, here's the good news. Despite their impressive nutrient profile, fennel seeds are relatively low in calories. A tablespoon of these seeds contains just around 20 calories. So there you have it. Fennel seeds are much more than just a spice. Now, you must be wondering, how do I add these seeds to my diet? Well, incorporating fennel seeds into your diet is easier than you might think. They are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of ways to enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. Let's start with the simplest method. Fennel seeds can be chewed raw just as they are. This not only freshens your breath but also aids in digestion. Chew a small pinch of these seeds after a meal for immediate benefits. The sweet and slightly minty flavor makes this a pleasant, natural alternative to commercial breath fresheners. Next, consider adding fennel seeds to your tea. The seeds infuse a unique aromatic flavor that can transform a regular cup of tea into a delightful experience. Plus, it's a great way to reap the health benefits of fennel seeds in a soothing, warm drink. Just add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to your tea leaves or tea bag, brew as usual, and enjoy. Fennel seeds can also be incorporated into your cooking. They can be ground into a powder and used as a spice in a variety of dishes. From savory stews and curries to sweet pastries and desserts, the possibilities are endless. The seeds can also be used whole, adding a crunchy texture and a burst of flavor to salads, breads, and more. If tea isn't your thing, how about fennel-infused water? This is another easy and refreshing way to include fennel seeds in your diet. Just soak a tablespoon of fennel seeds in a liter of water overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it throughout the day for a hydrating, detoxifying beverage. Incorporating fennel seeds into your diet doesn't require any major changes. It's all about finding small ways to add them into your existing meals and routines. Remember, consistency is key. The regular consumption of fennel seeds can lead to visible improvements in your health over time. So, are you ready to give these wonder seeds a try? So, to sum it up, fennel seeds, these small, fragrant wonders, are much more than just a spice. They're a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. Every pinch offers a rich bounty of essential nutrients that are crucial for our well-being. We've discovered how these seeds are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and helping to keep our gut health in check. They're packed with antioxidants, which combat harmful free radicals and slow down the aging process. The high mineral content, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium, contributes to bone health and heart function. Then there's the fact that these seeds are a natural breath freshener, a boon for those looking for a simple and effective solution for bad breath. They're also known to help regulate blood pressure and reduce water retention thanks to their diuretic properties. But the beauty of fennel seeds doesn't stop at their health benefits. Their versatility in the culinary world is equally impressive. Whether you choose to chew them raw, brew them into a soothing tea, or incorporate them into your meals, the opportunities are endless. Remember, the key to reaping these benefits lies in consistency. It's not about consuming a handful of seeds one day and then forgetting about them the next. It's about making them a part of your daily routine, a staple in your diet. We've equipped you with the knowledge, and now it's up to you to take the next step. It's a small step, but it could make a world of difference. It's a step towards better health, better well-being, and a better you. Remember, the path to better health could be as simple as a pinch of fennel seeds every day. So why not give it a try? If you don't want to miss out on more tips and tricks about health and food for a happy life, click on one of our next videos right now, which are linked here. If you like our videos, we would be happy if you subscribe to our channel, share the video with your friends, and leave a comment with your opinion about this topic. Stay healthy and see you soon.